Welcome to our guide on how to share your home and living updates on Facebook. Let's go through the steps together. 1. Begin by launching the Facebook app on your Android device. 2. Tap on the What's on Your Mind section to start creating a new post. 3. Scroll down and select Life Event from the options. 4. Choose Home and Living from the list of life events. 5. Tap on Enter Title to provide a brief description of your home and living update. 6. Enter a title for your post along with the date to capture the essence of your update. 7. Tap Next at the top right corner to proceed. 8. Utilize the audience selector to determine who you want to share this update with. 9. Finally, tap Post at the top right corner to share your home and living news with your Facebook friends and followers. By following these steps, you can keep your social circle informed about the latest happenings in your home and living space, from renovations to new decor and more. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been helpful in explaining how to post about your home and living updates on Facebook. Share your home improvement projects, interior design inspiration, and more with your Facebook community by following these simple steps. Stay connected and engaged with your friends and family by sharing your home and living experiences on Facebook.